Hello everyone, this is Mamta Moon and today we learn and solve self-practice exercise questions 1 to 10 self-practice 5J of chapter 5. Chapter name is Fractions of class 6 of New Learning Composite Mathematics textbook. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos. Let's get started and solve some questions. What we learn today? Today we learn and solve self-practice exercise questions 1 to 10, self-practice 5J of chapter 5. Chapter name is fraction and topic is word problems on fractions. Let's solve some questions. Now we solve another word problem, question number 5. In a football match, 3 divided by 4 of the crowd sat at the pavilion and 1 divided by 8 sat on the grass. The remaining sat on trees. What fraction of crowd was sitting? What fraction of crowd was sitting on trees? The crowd sat at the pavilion is 3 divided by 4 and crowd sat on grass is 8. 1 divided by 8. It is given. So let total crowd is 1. So crowd sat on trees will be 1 minus, it is given that 3 divided by 4 crowd sat on pavilion. So 1 minus 3 divided by 4 plus 1 by 8 sat on grass. 3 divided by 4 plus 1 divided by 8. Now we get 1 minus, we have to add this to unlike fraction 3 divided by 4 plus 1 divided by 8. Now we find out the LCM of 4 and 8. LCM of 4 and 8 is 8. Now divide this LCM 8 with the denominator 4 of 3 divided by 4. 8 divided by 4 is 2. 2 multiply with the numerator 3. Now we get 3 multiplied with 2 plus 1 divided by 8. 8 divide this LCM 8 with the denominator 8 of 1 divided by 8. 8 divided by 8 is 1. Now multiply 1 with the numerator 1. 1 multiplied with 1. Now we get 1 minus 3 multiplied with 2 is 6. 6 plus 1 multiplied with 1 is 1. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 divided by 8. 1 minus 7 divided by 8. Now multiply the denominator 8 with whole 1. 8 multiplied with 1 is 8. 8 minus 7 numerator 8 minus 7 is 1. 1 divided by 8. So fractions of crowd set on trees is 1 divided by 8. Now we solve question number 6, which is a word problem. Question number 6 is the owner of a gift shop kept track of her sales and noticed that 3 divided by 8 of her sales occurred in the morning, 7 divided by 10 in the afternoon and 3 divided by 16 in the evening. During what part of the day did most of her sales occur? We have to find out in which time, on which time she sells most of his gift. Most of her gift, she sells most of her sales. So sales, it is given that sales occur in the morning is 3 divided by 8. Sales occur in the afternoon is 7 divided by 10 and sale occur in the evening is 3 divided by 16. It is given. So you have to compare these three unlike fractions and we have to find out on which part of the day her sales occur most. Now we have to compare 3 divided by 8, 7 divided by 10 and 3 divided by 16. Now we have to convert these all unlike fraction into equivalent fraction equal to the equal LCM. First find out LCM of 8, 10 and 16. Find out the denominator LCM of this denominator 8, 10 and 16. We know prime factorization of 8 is 2 multiplied with 2 multiplied with 2, and prime factorization of 10 is 2 multiplied with 5, and prime factorization of 16 is 2 multiplied with 2 multiplied with 2 multiplied with 2. So LCM of 8, 10 and 16 is 2 multiplied with 2 multiplied with 2 multiplied with 2, that is 16, multiplied with 5. 16 multiplied with 5 is 80. So LCM of 8, 10 and 16 is 80. Now we have to convert these fractions into equivalent fractions just equal to the equal denominator, that is equal to the LCM, by multiplying the same number with numerator and denominators. Now convert 3 divided by 8 into a equivalent fraction equal to the denominator 80. We know denominator 8 multiplied with 10 is 80. So multiply the same number 10 with numerator also. 3 multiplied with 10 is 30. 30 divided by 8 multiplied with 10 is 80. 30 divided by 80. And 30 divided by 80 is a equivalent fraction of 3 divided by 8. Both are equivalent fractions. Now convert 7 divided by 10 into a equivalent fraction equal to the equal denominator, that is equal to the LCM 80. We know multiply the denominator 10 with 8 is 80, which is equal to the LCM of 8, 10 and 60. Now multiply the same number 8 with numerator 7 also. 7 multiplied with 8 is 56, and 10 denominator 10 multiplied with 8 is 80. Now we get 56 divided by 80, which is an equivalent fraction of 7 divided by 10. 56 divided by 80 is equivalent to 7 divided by 10. Now we convert 3 divided by 16 into an equivalent fraction equal to the equal denominator, that is equal to the LCM 80. We know multiplying the denominator 16 with 5 we get 80, which is equal to the LCM of 8, 10 and 16. Now multiply the same number 5 with numerator 3 also. 3 multiplied with 5 is 15. Denominator 16 multiplied with 5 is 80. Now we get 15 divided by 80. 15 divided by 80 is an equivalent fraction of 3 divided by 16. 15 divided by 80 is equivalent to the fraction 3 divided by 60. Now we get 30 divided by 80, 56 divided by 80 and 15 divided by 80. Now we compare all these three equivalent fractions. 30 divided by 80, 56 divided by 80 and 15 divided by 80. 56 divided by 80 is greater than 30 divided by 80 is greater than 15 divided by 80. That is 7 divided by 10 is greater than 3 divided by 8 is greater than 3 divided by 16. So 7 divided by 10 is the most cell occurs on this time. So the owner occur most cell in the afternoon. 7 by 10 is the in afternoon times her cells occur. So the owner occur most cell in the afternoon. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. If you like this video, then please click the like button and share this. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos. If you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.